Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the fan now, and detach the clip assembly so you can work safely. Once done, lay parts out in order. Make sure to note which screw goes where because clips often mix fasteners. You'll need a small Phillips, a flathead for prying plastic tabs, and needle nose pliers. If the spring looks weak, have a replacement ready. This step prevents lost parts and speeds reassembly, so take a moment but don't overthink it. Now disassemble the clip housing. Remove screws and gently pry tabs apart. Use the flathead as a lever, but avoid forcing brittle plastic. Once open, spin the motor shaft by hand, feel for roughness or play, and inspect the spring and pivot points for deformation. If wiring is frayed, mark the wire colors and locations for later reconnection. You're diagnosing the root cause, whether it's a bad spring, stripped thread, or finish by repairing the fault. Install a new spring or apply a drop of light machine oil to the pivot. If screws are stripped, use a slightly larger screw or thread locker with a matching insert. Reassemble in the reverse order, ensuring tabs click and screws seat firmly. Make sure the clip opens and closes with proper tension before mounting. Then plug in and test at low speed. If it still fails, check the motor for internal damage or replace the entire housing. That single step usually resolves persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.